Attempt number 2, trying to get Lauren's car out of the sand. Thanks to Jonathan. Again. Go!
Still dig it down?
Yeah, it's digging down.
Rocket!
Rocket! Get the people on front, push! Don't you drive it? You ever had four-wheelers? This guy's a four-wheeler.
I never had this problem like this.
You want me to do it?
Yes! Yes! Please do it! What do you think of the situation, Audra?
I think we're really lucky that they have a shovel.
You locked the wheel again?
Oh, God damn it. That's in gear. Jonathan, you're in the way.
Throw the brakes.
Oh my God.
It is wasting gas.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Jonathan, move, Jonathan.
Oh.
Go, 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 go.